Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Name of first lesson of science first is laws of motion. We were discussing about the motion of an object, velocity of the object, acceleration of the object, uniform and non-uniform acceleration. Now our new topic is equations of motion. There are three equations of motion. Newton studied motion of an object and gave a set of three equations of motion. These relate the displacement, velocity, acceleration and time of an object moving along a straight line. Let an object is in motion along a straight line with initial velocity small u. It attains a final velocity after time t, which is denoted by a small letter v, due to acceleration a. We all know that acceleration is the rate of change of velocity with time. Suppose the displacement of the object is denoted by small s. Then there are three equations of motion. The first equation is v is equal to u plus at. V is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, a is the acceleration and t is time. This is the equation which denote the relation between velocity and time. This is also known as velocity time equation of motion. Second equation is s is equal to ut plus half at square. This is second equation of motion. It denotes the relation between displacement and time. S is the displacement, u is initial velocity, t is time, a is acceleration. This is the Newton's second equation of motion, which shows the relation between displacement and time. And the third equation is v square is equal to u square plus twice as. V is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, a is acceleration and s is displacement. This is Newton's third equation of motion. Third equation of motion. This third equation denotes the relation between displacement and velocity. Listen once again. Newton's first equation of motion, v is equal to u plus at, describes the relation between velocity and time. Second equation of motion, this is second equation of motion. It describes the relation between displacement with time. Third equation of motion is v square is equal to u square plus twice as. This third equation of motion describes the relation between displacement and velocity of an object which is moving along a straight line, and the initial velocity of the object is small u, final velocity of the object is small v, the time is small t, acceleration is small a, and displacement is s. Now learn all these three equations of motion. This is the homework for today. Thank you.